2307 service to West Croydon from Dorking, calling at Box Hill and West Humble. Leatherhead, Ashtead, I'm reading it, sorry, Epsom, Cheam, Sutton, Carshalton Beaches, Wallington, Wadden and West Croydon.
West Croydon, calling at Leatherhead, Ashtead, Epsom, Cheam, Sutton, Carshalton Beaches, Wallington, Wadden and West Croydon. The next station is Leatherhead.
I'm going to tell you that the next 3 stations, let me just read it again, looking down, sorry about that. The next 3 stations are ticket only stations, or you can have the Southern Pass, whatever it's called. A ticket from Dorking.
Welcome aboard the Southern service to West Croydon. The next station is Leatherhead.
The cheapest ticket you can find out there is on an app called, let me just tell you, Train Split. £5, 35 pence. If you use Train Pal, it's £6 with your rail card. It's £8.50, I believe, or something, £8.30 if you don't have a rail card. Now I'm going to take you on a journey around the train. There is literally no one on the train, so here it goes. Like I said before in the one review I had, down there is a plug. That's the bonus you get on these trains. You get nicer looking tables. Just look like that. Actually don't need to bend down, I need to get used to this train, to this. As you see, there is no one on the train. I'm just going down here because I want to show you something. It's not the cleanest. Toilet is there. That's the toilet. This proves there's no one on the train. We are now walking back.
We are now approaching Leatherhead. Please mind the gap between the platform and the train.
I believe we're sitting in the next carriage. These are automatic doors. They recognise you. You don't need to press the buzzer. We've got litter bins.
service to West Croydon, calling at Ashted, Epsom, Cheam, Sutton, Carshalton Beaches, Wallington, Wadden, and West Croydon. The next station is Ashted.
Just got to put it into a bit high. So, this is the southern service to West Croydon from Dorking. 2307 service to West Croydon from Dorking. It's not the cleanest, so for there, it's going to get a 5.5 for cleanliness.
Welcome aboard the southern service to West Croydon. The next station is Ashted.
It's going to get a 6 for style, because it is quite bad, this one. Overall, it's going to get a, for feel, it's going to get a 6 out of 10. For route, it's going to get a 8 out of 10, because I love this route. Overall, it's going to get a 5.7 out of 10. There are much better trains than this. People need to have respect for the trains. Would I recommend coming on this service? Yes, but not right now during the pandemic. So there are 2 services a day from Dorking to West Croydon. The 2307 service and the 2337 service. They both go to Dorking Monday to Saturday. I was about to say Friday, but Monday to Saturday. There are only 2 services.
This is Carshalton Beaches. This train is the southern service to West Croydon, calling at Wallington, Wadden, and West Croydon. The next station is Wallington.
There are currently 2 services a day. They're evening services from Dorking to West Croydon, 2307 and the 2337. So there are only 2 services a day. Every day apart from Sunday. That's Monday to Saturday. No Sunday service. That's a change at Sutton. If you're going to go to Dorking, if you're coming back from Dorking, you change at Sutton. You have to change to go there as well. At Sutton.
Welcome aboard the southern service to West Croydon. The next station is Wallington.
Let that happen, and I've rated the train and everything. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye.